We are going to our first cafe here called Hence. I am super excited. Let's go get some food. There's this cute little mirror right when you get in. Perfect for selfies.
Whoa.
So what did you get?
I got garlic pork with rice and eggs and fish oil with peppers.
Although it is quite empty. Gives us more of a personal experience.
I hope that's not for a reason though. What'd you get?
So I got a truffle-styled spaghetti, which comes with pork and mushrooms and topped with a little bit of parsley, I believe. No, that's not parsley, cilantro. This looks so delicious. I cannot wait to eat this, but it's kind of a heavy meal to have right before the gym. Good. This took the longest to come out.
I think there was a reason why though. I think this is a fresh coconut and they cut up pieces in there as well.
Did it taste good?
It tastes like real coconut. It's gym time, and we're gonna start off with rope cable pullovers. Shout out to Alex Mendoza for the awesome workout plan. On our second workout, we got face pulls.
For this portion of the video, we're fake gym influencers. Wow, look at me go. We're so jacked.
Lastly, we have the dumbbell hammer curls.
Yeah, flex those muscles. Work it, girl. Just did 12 minutes non-stop running on the treadmill. 5 years ago, I never would have thought I'd be able to do that. I am sweating in places that I have never sweat before. When I was just there chilling, probably watching a video.
We are heading to the pool on the night for today, and this one is huge. It's our first laundry day here. Look at how genius this bin is. There's a handle and it rolls. Ew. Dirty laundry.
I smell my feet.
Ew. This is the laundry. It honestly might be full. Oh, perfect. 50 baht for the bigger machine. Uh-oh. It might only take the paper ones. Only takes older banknotes. Secured the paper banknotes. Heading back to Quentin now. I got the bills.
Success.
Did you click the number? You had to clarify no shoes.
No.
Coins, maybe?
Either coins or a sewage cover.
7-Eleven. So apparently these are really good. We're gonna give it a shot. I wasn't even gonna get this, but Quinta was like, we have to try it. So I guess we're trying it.
I don't know if it rips like that.
It does.
Are you sure?
Yeah. Supposed to, I think. Wow. 29 baht. This is what $1 gets you.
This is for like tourists that are drunk all the time and they need a quick fix.
Mm-hmm.
It's like McDonald's,
Mm-hmm.
but cheaper. I can see why.
I didn't see anything special in this, to be honest. When I was trying pomelo with salt.
So they gave me a bag of salt with my pomelo, and Malcolm eats his oranges with salt. So, oh, that might be a lot of salt. Nope, that's good. So I'm gonna test it out and see what the hype is.
Salty pomelo.
That's actually pretty good. Wanna try?
You also said everything's good.
Wanna try?
Sure.